In today's fast-paced and stressful world, finding solace and tranquility at home has become increasingly important. Our homes should be a sanctuary, a place where we can unwind, recharge, and feel safe. Unfortunately, anxiety can easily infiltrate our living spaces, hindering our ability to relax and find peace of mind. However, by implementing simple yet effective strategies, we can create an anxiety-free environment that promotes serenity and well-being. In this article, we will explore practical tips and techniques to transform your home into a calming haven. Declutter and organize. Cluttered spaces contribute to a sense of chaos and unease. Start by decluttering your living areas, removing unnecessary items, and organizing belongings. A tidy environment helps reduce mental clutter and fosters a sense of control and calmness. Develop a systematic approach, sorting items into categories, and consider donating or discarding items that no longer serve a purpose. Remember, an organized home promotes an organized mind. Incorporate soothing colors and natural elements. Colors have a profound impact on our emotions. To create a serene atmosphere, opt for calming hues such as soft blues, greens, and neutrals. These colors promote relaxation and a sense of tranquility. Additionally, bring nature indoors by incorporating houseplants or natural elements like rocks, seashells, or driftwood. Connecting with nature has a soothing effect on the mind, helping to alleviate anxiety. Enhance natural light and fresh air. Natural light has a positive influence on mood and overall well-being. Maximize the amount of natural light in your home by opening curtains and blinds, removing obstacles that block windows, or using light-colored sheer curtains. Additionally, ensure proper ventilation to maintain fresh air circulation. Open windows regularly to allow for natural airflow and consider using indoor air purifiers to improve air quality. Fresh air and natural light can greatly contribute to a calm and revitalizing environment. Create comfortable and cozy spaces. Designating specific areas for relaxation and comfort is essential for promoting an anxiety-free home environment. Create cozy nooks with plush pillows, soft blankets, and comfortable seating. Consider incorporating elements such as meditation cushions, a reading corner, or a soothing space for mindfulness practices. Having these designated spaces allows for intentional relaxation and helps separate them from areas associated with work or stress. Foster a technology-free zone. In the digital age, constant connectivity and screen time can exacerbate anxiety levels. Dedicate a specific area or room as a technology-free zone, where you can unplug and unwind. Make it a rule to keep smartphones, tablets, and laptops out of this space. Instead, fill it with books, board games, or hobbies that promote relaxation, creativity, and personal connection. Practice mindful eating and cooking. Food and the act of cooking can be sources of comfort and relaxation. Embrace mindful eating by creating a peaceful atmosphere during meals. Set the table with care, eliminate distractions such as television or electronic devices, and savor each bite. Engage in the process of cooking mindfully, focusing on the aromas, textures, and flavors. Preparing meals can become a therapeutic ritual, reducing stress and anxiety. Establish a regular cleaning routine. Maintaining cleanliness and order within your home is vital for promoting a calm environment. Develop a regular cleaning routine to keep your space neat and organized. Tidy up after each activity, and establish a weekly or bi-weekly deep cleaning session. A clean and organized home reduces mental clutter and allows for a more relaxed state of mind. Implement stress-reducing activities. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine to create an anxiety-free environment. Engaging in these activities can help you unwind and find inner calm. A. Mindfulness and meditation. Dedicate a quiet space in your home for mindfulness and meditation practices. Set aside a few minutes each day to sit in silence, focus on your breath, and cultivate present moment awareness. There are numerous meditation apps and guided meditation videos available to assist beginners in developing a regular practice. B. Yoga or stretching. Create a designated area for yoga or stretching exercises. Practicing gentle yoga poses or stretching routines helps release tension from the body and promotes relaxation. Consider using calming scents like lavender or chamomile during these sessions to enhance the soothing atmosphere. C. Breathing exercises. Deep breathing exercises can instantly calm the nervous system. Practice techniques such as diaphragmatic breathing or alternate nostril breathing. These exercises help regulate your breathing patterns and promote relaxation. D. Creative outlets. Engage in creative activities that bring you joy, such as painting, drawing, writing, or playing a musical instrument. These activities provide a healthy outlet for emotions and promote a sense of fulfillment in self-expression. E. Physical exercise. Regular physical exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Incorporate activities like walking, jogging, or dancing into your routine. Even a short burst of physical activity can significantly reduce anxiety levels. F. Aromatherapy. Utilize essential oils to create a calming ambiance in your home. Lavender, chamomile, bergamot, and ylang ylang are known for their relaxing properties. Use a diffuser or add a few drops of essential oil to a spray bottle filled with water and mist the air to enjoy their soothing scents. Establish boundaries and prioritize self-care. Setting boundaries and prioritizing self-care are crucial for maintaining an anxiety-free environment. Learn to say no to activities or commitments that overwhelm you. Make time for yourself by scheduling regular self-care practices, such as taking relaxing baths, reading a book, or indulging in a hobby. Remember, taking care of your own well-being is essential for creating a harmonious home environment. Foster positive relationships and communication. Healthy relationships contribute to a sense of security and well-being. Cultivate positive connections with your family members or roommates by engaging in open and honest communication. Practice active listening and create a safe space where everyone feels heard and respected. Nurturing harmonious relationships within your home reduces tension and creates an atmosphere of support and understanding. Creating an anxiety-free environment at home is within your reach. By implementing these practical strategies, you can transform your living space into a sanctuary that promotes serenity and well-being. Remember, creating a calm environment requires ongoing effort and dedication. Embrace these tips, adapt them to your needs, and enjoy the soothing effects of an anxiety-free home. Prioritize your mental health and create a space where you can truly relax, recharge, and find peace amidst the chaos of everyday life. Remember to like and subscribe for similar content on ways to cope with anxiety.